Hi, I'm John, your concierge to the world of the Raspberry Pi Pico, IoT, robotics and fun tech. This is my 3-minute summary of the video blog on the Raspberry Pi 5 and the issues with Pico development. In this video, I will look at both Raspberry Pi OS Bookworm and Ubuntu 23.10. I'll focus on the pinch points in development. Using the quick start approach, I successfully installed the toolchain on Raspberry Pi OS running on a Raspberry Pi 5. Doing the same install on Ubuntu requires 2 additional packages to be installed as prerequisites, but then it's successful. The project build and bootsel to flash the Picos worked fine from both Ubuntu and Raspberry OS. Flashing using SWD and OpenOCD via Raspberry Pi Debug probe failed on both Raspberry Pi OS and Ubuntu. This is due to a missing udev rule. It's fairly straightforward to add this rule and then reboot. The Raspberry Pi 5 then correctly detects the debug probe and OpenOCD works flawlessly. If you are debugging on Raspberry Pi, you should also use GDB multi-arc now, but that was an expected progression. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know what you think of the 3-minute summary format in the comments. Please like the video as it encourages me to keep going, and please subscribe and hit that notification button so you don't miss the next video. Goodbye for now.